Welcome to my channel, Garden and Landscape. Now we are maintaining the garden again because it's our job in daily work. So we have many rotten. So, but you why do they wearing this shirt? Because actually we wearing the hotel uniform, but now we postpone to keep close. With now we have no guests, so we can wearing their own uniform. So now we start to remove again the weeds. Oh, many weeds around the hotel because we some stuff we cut down the college we cut down because we have the company no have much money to them, so everywhere we have many weeds around the hotel. So there we already remove, but they are not yet to remove, so we start again. There's almost flowers. So it's nice. Almost beautiful girl. Come tone chụp sầm lap chụp sò chùm sầm muối chùm sầm mày. Sorry. This beautiful girl is the leader. She is the leader of the group. She is the leader. happy just getting in the bed. So now happy working. Remove the weed and over there. Already, but this start for me to go stage. Butterfly. Oh, so big garden, so big and width, so big as well. This beautiful. Tốt. Nhâm mùi mình. Sạch đó là thôn. Nhâm mùi mình. Chanh xe may tích, xe may riêng sỏn tích. Và nó sọt nó trùn vô mong. Chả thì tụi mày không phải nghịch với chẳng ngay đó. Đâu chạy bàn so xa đấy. Okay, thank you. Just kidding in the work because hard working and including with the smart work and happy work together. Okay, thank you for watching our channel. Bye bye.